फाइवर पर गिग को रैंक करना चाहते हैं तो एक वाहिद सल्यूशन है मनी रोबोट एसईओ सॉफ्टवेयर। ये सॉफ्टवेयर तमाम एक्सपर्ट फ्रीलांसर्स और डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कंपनीज यूज करती हैं। और आप ये ट्रिक नहीं जानते? माजिद बताएं प्रैक्टिकल वीडियो में।
आप हमारा लाइव फाइवर अर्निंग प्रूफ देख सकते हैं।
Step 1. Open MoneyRobot SEO Submitter. Step 2. Click on New Campaign option. Step 3. Select any high competition SEO strategy. Step 5. Now open your Fiverr account and copy your Fiverr gig link. After then, paste in URL section in MoneyRobot. Step 6. Copy your all tags which you used in your Fiverr gig and paste in tags section. Then click on Create a Unique Article option. When complete this process, then click on Start Campaign option. In few time campaign will complete and your Fiverr gig will be skyrocket on the first page of Fiverr. Market official price is $497, but if you wants to purchase in very cheap price, then contact us on WhatsApp. We will give you this tool in very cheap price like free. Please stop and don't miss users' reviews about this tool.
I am using MoneyRobot SEO Submitter from 5 years for Fiverr gig ranking. My friend was told me about it. Very useful tool for Fiverr success and SEO services, and I am providing SEO services using this software.
Very super method. I recently purchased MoneyRobot and try on my Fiverr. I learn about it after pay money for SEO course and I got out class results. Highly recommend for use it.
Don T. Westmore time and use MoneyRobot SEO tool. Hi, I am from USA Seattle. I am level 2 Fiverr seller using MoneyRobot from 3 years.
Really helped me to rank on the first page very easily. So if I can do it, anyone can use this program, this software. So really recommend. As I said, I never have had anything to do with SEO. So just get it.